Hi guys. So today I'm going to be talking to you about the Google Classroom and how it can be used in really any classroom. So today I'm going to be going over like ways that you can use it in a variety of subjects/themes. So as you can see here, you have a class code, and that's how your classmates can join, or your students, I should say, rather. You can obviously announce things to your class. Like I'll just put a bunch of random letters. As you can see here, sorry, it's taking a minute to post. As you can see here, I shared a video on here. And also you can update things on like what things are upcoming soon. So next we will go to the class work. So for me, I found it to be the easiest, like pretend that I was a math teacher, even though I'm actually going to be a science teacher with an English minor. As you can see here, I have an English subject. And then I can also just assign assignments. Like we'll do find the area of a square. Sorry, I'm a horrible typer. You can update things given the area or given the perimeter of a square, find the area. Another really cool tool is you can share it to just specific students. I mean, I don't have any students in my classroom. I tried to set that up, but for some unbeknownst reason, it wasn't working. You can update like the amount of points it's worth. Like you can just punch it in, or you can make it ungraded, which I'll make this ungraded. The due date, you can put it as, like I'll put this next Monday. Time, you can make it optional. You don't have to have a time, but like for this assignment, I'll just put 11:59. So something else cool that you can do with this is you can add things like a YouTube video. For example, if you have a URL, obviously you can use that, but I don't have one. So we'll just search area of a square. And then you can just select it and add it. Then you can obviously create the assignment, which is what I will do for this assignment. Take you to Google Docs. I am a huge fan of Google Docs. I prefer Google Docs over Word. I prefer it over about anything just because of like the I don't really know how to word this, but like the comfort you have knowing that it saves almost every single second. I've always had problems with saving Word documents, whether I had a flash drive or anything, but like Google Docs, you can kind of just bring with you everywhere. But anyways, so something super cool you can do with this is you can actually draw. I do this a lot, and I think I will do this a lot as a teacher. So obviously the assignment is find the perimeter of a square. Sorry for my horribly drawn square. Looks like we're gonna have a weird corner there. So something else you can do is you can insert text boxes, like which I will do right here. Like I'll put it as 8 by 5. Sorry, for some reason this is being extremely weird. But yeah, like, I mean, to me, Google Classroom is a super beneficial thing. I mean, obviously, I've never even heard of half these apps we are gonna use. So I'm actually super excited to learn about them, and like I'm excited to see how Jaron presents his Google Classroom because I feel like he knows more, or maybe he knows just about as much as I do. But I'm excited to see what features he found throughout it. So, anyways, something else you can do that's super cool. As you can see, I put the area, but you can also begin to type. Like I will put directions right here. If the area, if the perimeter of the square is 8 feet by 5 feet, find the area of the square in inches. Complicated for our students a little bit. But yeah, no, that's why I really enjoy using Google Classroom. It's just because you can use so many things off of it. You can use Google Docs, you can use Google Calendar, you can just really use countless amounts of things um, with it. I'm really excited to teach you guys about this, and I hope you guys had a great night.